Welcome to this comprehensive overview of MathWallet, your all-in-one solution for managing cryptocurrencies securely and efficiently. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about using MathWallet, from its unique features to how you can start using it today. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Starting with the basics, MathWallet is a multi-platform cryptocurrency wallet designed to support over 100 different blockchains. Whether you're dealing with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or newer networks like Solana and Polkadot, MathWallet has you covered. It supports not only storage, but also seamless crypto swapping and access to decentralized applications (dApps). You can use it on multiple devices, including iOS, Android, and desktop, or even as a browser extension for convenient access. To begin using MathWallet, navigate to their official website, where you can download the appropriate version for your device. After installation, set up a new wallet or import an existing one by entering your private key or recovery phrase. MathWallet places a strong emphasis on security, so be sure to safely store your keys. Once inside, the interface is intuitive. You will see options for adding blockchain networks, viewing your portfolio balance, and exploring supported dApps. Adding assets to your wallet is simple. Click on Receive, copy your wallet address, and transfer funds from another wallet or exchange. Swapping crypto assets is just as straightforward. Select Swap, choose the tokens you want to exchange, confirm the transaction, and let MathWallet handle the rest. One standout feature is its seamless dApp browser. This allows you to interact with decentralized finance, DeFi, services, NFT platforms, and gaming ecosystems directly within the wallet. Whether you're staking tokens or minting NFTs, MathWallet makes it easy. Ready to get started? Make sure to use the sign-up link https://lnk.do/jqucoif in the description to claim your bonus as a new user. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.